Hey y'all, want to do a real quick video today. I think I say that for everyone and then they end up being like 6 minutes long, but I want to try to be quick with this one. It's also very easy. It's called Whitehouse Road by Tyler Childers. It's probably my favorite song by him, and it's one that, again, it's 3 chords. I don't know how to describe the strum pattern. You kind of just have to feel it, but there are a couple ways to play this. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I like to use what I call like the cheating F, which is basically a C chord with the middle finger and ring finger both drop the string, and then the pointer finger kind of curls down to mute that high E. It sounds really good in most of the songs that call for an F, but you can play the bar chord F if you want. In this song, it's just much easier to transition. You transition from the F to the C, so it's just really easy. But G, C, F, that is it for the whole song. It's just, if you can practice through it, play through it, you'll get it down. It's just kind of getting the strum pattern, and a lot of times you got to kind of play and sing through it a few times before you kind of find the strum pattern. But if I just kind of play the chords, and that is it. And you can kind of hear the song in that, right? So starting on the G, like that opening, all I'm doing there is the G. I kind of do a hit, don't go all the way down, I hit again, and then it's just kind of an up and down. So switch to that F, that cheating F. I hit that C coming on the upstroke, so G, F, C, back to the G, C, back to the G. So when you have the lyrics to it, early in the morning when the sun does rise, you stay on the G for that, and then you come to that F. I'm laying in the bed to the C with bloodshot eyes. It's the whole song. G, late in the evening when the sun sinks low. So that's where it can kind of get tricky, because you're sitting on just the G chord for an extended period of time. So it's important to just kind of have some sort of strum pattern. And in my opinion, it doesn't even necessarily need to be like uniform or doing the same thing every time. Like, just fuck around with it. And what's most important is that you hit the chord changes in time. So I'm laying in the bed with bloodshot, late in the evening when the sun sinks low, staying on the G, now moving to that F. That's about the time my rooster crows. G, I got women up and down this creek, to the F, and they keep me going and my engine clean. You can see me transitioning from the F to the C there. Sorry if I didn't say it. And then the chorus is the same, starting on the G. Get me drinking that moonshine. F, get me higher than the C bill. G, my troubles to the F. No, G, my troubles to the high wall. F, I'm in the river, and C, you'll kill. G, band smoking, sniffing that cocaine. F, I'm better when the C cuts cold. G, it's a mighty hard living, but a F, good feeling to see these roads. I mean, you can't really make it any easier than that. Have fun with the strum pattern. Other than that, it's a very basic chord progression. Play around with that cheating F. Maybe you like the sound of the regular bar chord F better. But it's a really fun song to play. So hopefully you enjoy that video and learn the song, and we'll see you next time.